All right, today we're going to talk about frankincense, which is the king of oils. They actually say, when in doubt, use frankincense. It's just an amazing oil, definitely one of my favorites. If you add a drop of frankincense to any other oil, it makes that oil better at whatever it does. You can inhale it with lavender and peppermint just to calm that stress, calm and relieve that tension. Use frankincense with 3 drops of coconut oil or maybe lotion for skincare. This is what my mom uses. She uses our unscented lotion, a drop of frankincense, and a drop of patchouli, and that is her skincare. I use our skincare because I love it, but she just keeps it simple like that. It's wonderful just to uplift mood. So you can wear it in your perfume, mix it with a few other things, and it's going to help with that feeling of alertness as well. I always add this to my deep blue. If I'm using deep blue, I'm going to add frankincense. Sometimes I'm going to go ahead and add cypress too. And it's just going to make it great at calming down inflammation in the body. This is a great one to diffuse with lemon and peppermint to help with concentration. It's great for fingernails. So you can add a drop to some coconut oil and rub it into those cuticles, rub it into the fingernails to get them happy. You can add a drop underneath your tongue. I actually do this every morning with copaiba. I just want frankincense and copaiba to calm all that inflammation in my body, help me to focus, help relieve any stress or anxious feelings that I'm having that day. You can, this is a great one for baths. So add frankincense and lavender to the bath just to help calm those nerves. And then just remember, if you're making a blend and you're putting several things in a roller bottle, go ahead and throw a drop of frankincense in there, and it's going to make that whole roller bottle work better. This is one of my absolute favorite oils. It's definitely my mom's favorite oil, so it's very special to me. Let me know if you learn anything. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks. Bye.